How to write on whiteboard in Zoom Cloud. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can write on whiteboard in Zoom Cloud meeting. Okay, so guys, if you want to know from where you can use this feature, then you have to watch the video till the end. Okay, I'll show you how you can write on your whiteboard in Zoom, and after that you can share it to your participants as well. Okay, so guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now let's open up the Zoom. Okay, first we have to open up the Zoom, and then guys, what we need to do is we need to start up the meeting. Okay, we need to start up the meeting and you should be the host. So after that you have to click on start a meeting. Okay, click on start a meeting, and then guys, you have to wait because connecting is going on, so you have to wait. So now it is opened, so you have to allow the